Hello, welcome to Excel Pro. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to view and approve employee time cards in uAttend. Let's get started. First, let's log into your uAttend web account. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard page displayed here. This page contains your tabs on the upper blue ribbon, a few of your active employees, and their punch status. From this page, your main focus will be on the Time Cards tab. After you click on Time Cards, you will see a list of your active employees and the status of their time cards for this week. By default, active employees who have clocked in this week will show a pending status in red. Anyone who has not clocked in shows a blank space. Employees who have not clocked in may be new employees that are no longer returning or on absent leave. As a rule of thumb, at Excel Pro, any employee who is not going to return but did work the previous week will be displayed until the following Thursday for payroll processing needs. The Excel Pro team will remove the employees not returning as needed. Now, to view the individual time cards, we will want to be on the correct pay week. On the upper left-hand side, next to pay period, click on the left arrow once to select the previous work week. Then click on the first employee. In this case, it will be Cindy De Niro. On this page, you will have additional navigation options on the upper left-hand side. Next to time cards, you will have arrows to move to the next employee or the previous employee. You will also have the option to change the pay period from this section. Down below, you will see the punches entered in the previous week. Ideally, your employee should have 4 punches that round up to the total work hours, typically 8 hours. Missed time punches will be reflected in missing red time brackets. In this example, the employee did not clock back in from lunch. We will need to manually click on Edit, and in the pop-up screen, we will copy or move the existing time from in time to out time and enter the correct time the employee returned from lunch, for example, 12:33 p.m. Once done with the corrections, click on Save and Close. Back on the employee's time card, you will be able to see that all the missing punches have been resolved. Now to approve the time card, scroll down and you should have an option to click on Approve Time Card. Once approved, you will notice a message on the bottom left-hand area has changed to approved and highlighted in green. You can now move to the next employee by clicking on the right arrow and continue the same process to review their punches, editing as needed, and approving their timesheets. The Excel Pro team will be regularly reviewing the time cards, and if there are any questions, a member of our team will reach out. Thank you for your participation with the uAttend time clock system and your business partnership with the Excel Pro team. Until next time.